Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Learn Math with Sir Mark, and on this video, I'm going to discuss problem solving involving Venn diagrams. But before anything else, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and click the bell button so that you will be notified whenever I'm going to upload a new video. So if you're ready, let's begin. Okay, problem number 1. In a class of 24 boys, 16 play basketball and 11 play volleyball. If 2 play neither game, how many play both games? Okay, so in the Venn diagram shown, okay, so let me assign V or B for basketball and V for volleyball. Okay, now it says in the problem 2 play neither game. Okay, neither game. So I'm going to place 2 here. See that? Now, ang question, how many play both games? Okay, the term both refers to the light blue portion. Okay, on this portion. So, let me call it X. Okay, now, it says here also 16 play basketball. So, yung 16 na yon is the combination of the yellow-green portion plus the light blue portion. But since this is X, this one is 16 minus X. Did you get it? Okay, next. Similarly, 11 play volleyball. Okay, yung 11 na yon refers to the combination of the dark blue and the light blue. But since this is X, this one should be 11 minus X. See that? Okay, now, 24 boys. 2 play neither of the two games. So, therefore, okay, if I'm going to add the yellow-green portion plus the light blue plus the dark blue, that will be equal to 22. See that? Again, 16 minus X, this is for the yellow-green, plus the light blue, plus the dark blue, that's equal to 22. Again, bakit 22? 24 minus 2. That's it. Okay, maka-cancel ngayon yung X. Negative X plus X, alright? Maka-cancel yan. So, what will be left is 16 plus 11, that's 27, minus X equals 22. So, clearly, okay, so, ang X ko dito will become 5. So, 27 minus 22, that's 5. Okay. There you go. See that? Okay, now, how about if I'm going to apply the set operation here? Okay, so take note. This is the alternative solution. Okay, now, so we know we know that the number of elements, basketball, the union volleyball, is equal to the number of elements who like basketball plus the number of elements in volleyball minus dun sa intersection of V, intersection V. Alright. Parehas kasing B. Okay. Anyway. Now, again, the union, basketball, okay, then volleyball. So, that is 22. Okay? 22. So, that's 22 equals, basketball is 16, as stated in the problem. Volleyball is 11. And then yung intersection nila based on the diagram, it's X. There you go. So I'm going to have the same. 22 equals 27 minus X. Clearly, X is equal to 5. There you go. See that? Okay, so I hope naintindihan yung problem number 1. Let's move to the next one. 96 grade 7 students were surveyed at Makati Science High School. There are 48 students who like math, and 45 students like science. If 1/6 of the students surveyed did not like either subject, how many students like both subjects? Okay. So, same thing, dalawang circle, alright? So, let's label it math and science. So, let's say this is for math, this is for science. Now, okay, may sinabi dito sa problem, 1/6 of the students surveyed did not like any of the two subjects. Okay, so we know 1/6 of 96. Okay, 1/6 of yeah, 96 is 16. So, therefore, okay, I'm going to place 16 sa universal natin. See that? Okay. Now, ang question, how many students like both subjects? Same nung number 1. Okay, so if I'm going to write X here, so math to, so this one is 48 minus X. Okay, for the science, so that's 45. Okay, let me use yellow or white. 45 minus X. There you go. See that? Same procedure. Kagayang-kagaya lang nung kanina. So, therefore, if we're going to combine it, 48 minus X, okay, this is for the yellow-green portion, plus the light blue, plus the dark blue, that's equal to, okay, kung 96 yan, 16 yung nasa universal mo, what will be left is 80. Okay? What will be left is 80. There you go. Then that's it. Same procedure, mga cancel to. Alright? So, 48 plus 45 is 93. Minus X equals 80. So, clearly, X here will become 13. Okay, so, see that? There you go. I'm not going to show this solution. So, same lang naman. Okay, so you can just follow it or serve as a practice. Clear? Alright, let's have problem number. Okay, problem number 3. There are 106 graders in St. Paul's School of Makati. 58 like English, 38 like Math, and 52 like Science. 6 students like Math and English only, 4 students like Math and Science only, and 12 students like all 3 subjects. Each student like at least 1 subject. The question is, how many students only like English? Okay. So, in this one, I'm going to construct Venn diagrams as shown. So, tatlo. Okay, so then, let's label it. So, this orange is for English, this pink is for Math, this green is for Science. Okay, now, so where do we start? So, ang sabi sa problem, okay, so, 12 students like all 3 subjects. So, dito ako mag-start. So, 12 students like all 3 subjects. See that? Okay, now, then, 58 like English. Alright, 58 like English. So, I'm going to put 58 here. Alright, 38 like Math. Okay, 38 like Math. And then, 52 like Science. 52. Then, 6 students like Math and English. Okay, 6 yan. And then, 4 students like Math and Science. Now, the question is, how many students like English only? Okay, English only. Now, so hindi na mention sa problem yung number of students who like English and Science. So, let's put it X here. Okay, now, recall natin, okay, so we are after for the number of the elements of the union of the sets A, B, and C, right? So, take note, this is equivalent to the number of elements of set A, okay, no, but A, B, C, sorry. So, gawin natin, English, okay, union, Math, union, Science. Okay, so that's equivalent to the number of elements in set E for the English, plus the number of elements in the set M for Math, plus the number of elements in set S for Science, okay, minus the number of elements in the intersection of English and, let's say, Math, minus the number of elements in the intersection of English and Science, okay, so masyadong mahaba, minus the number of elements in the intersection of Math and Science. Okay. Plus, of course, yung middle. Okay. Plus the number of elements in the intersection of English, okay, math, and science. There you go. See that? Okay. So, yung union of E, English, Math, and Science, okay, so that's equal to 100. Right? That's equal to 100. Alright? Then, elements, number of elements in English, so that's 58. Okay? For the Math, so that's 38. For the Science, that's 52. Okay? Minus, okay, yung English and Math. Ano ba yung English and Math? Okay. English and Math, so that is 6 plus 12. Okay, so this is the one that represent English and Math, right? So, that is 6 plus 12. Okay. Plus English and Science, so that's 12 plus X. Alright? Plus Math and Science. Math and Science, that's 4 plus 12. Alright? Then, of course, you have to add 12. Okay, so that's equal to 100. Then, that's it. So, add na lang natin. So, that is 100. Okay, this is 100 equals. So, ang 58 plus 38, so that's 96, plus 52, so that's 148. Okay, minus, okay, 6 plus 12, that's 18, plus 12, that's 30, plus 4 plus 12, that will give us 46. Plus X, plus 12. There you go. See that? Okay, so, further, add natin. So, 100. 148 plus 12 is 160. Okay, so distribute ko yung negative 1. So, that will become negative 46 minus X. See that? Okay, so solving for X, so I'm going to have 160 minus 46, that's 114, minus 100, therefore, that will give me X equals 14. See that? Okay, take note, ang X ko dito yung 14. Okay, so let me erase this on. Or rather, so, lagyan ko to. So, this is 14. Okay, this is 14. But ang question, how many students like English only? So, meaning, kung 58 yung English, itong entire region na to, okay, you have to subtract, alright? So, for English, alright? So, you have to subtract 6, 12, and 14 from 58. See that? And that will give us, okay, ayusin lang natin. 12 plus 14 equals, okay, so that is 58 minus 6 minus 12 minus 14, that will give us 26. There you go. So, therefore, the answer here, so how many students like English only? So, the answer is 26. See that? Okay.